As someone who takes videos at client premises for inspection purposes, I always find the videos rather shaky, with me walking up and down causing the videos to bounce. And when you watch them back, whilst all the information is there, they're not the best videos. Now, I was watching the Blu-ray of the movie Doctor Sleep the other week, and on the extras it was a making of, and it showed a guy using a Steadicam. Now, Steadicams were invented in the mid-70s, and Stanley Kubrick pioneered them, and they're used in sports events today. So I thought, how much are these things? They're going to be thousands. Well, they weren't. I looked it up on an internet bidding site and found this. A stabiliser cam that cost £13.59 including postage. Surely it's going to be a load of rubbish. Well, it isn't. When I got it, it was really well wrapped. It was actually in a plain box with no instructions at all. But when I got it out of the box, it was really well packed, and it's quite heavy. This thing weighs 800 grams, and this includes 3 140 gram balance weights. So setting it up was a bit of a balancing act. There's a standard camera screw attachment here, and the camera sits on top. Now, what I found when I first started using it, there's a pendulum effect, because the camera I was using is quite a lightweight Panasonic Handycam. So what I did was remove some of the balance weights, and you know what? It worked. Here's the proof that it worked. In the video on the left is the original footage without the stabiliser, and the footage on the right, you can see the difference. I repeated this again on a longer walking route, and as you can see, the footage on the right is far steadier. I'm walking at exactly the same pace, I'm walking the same route on the same day, and you know what? It seems to work fine. So for £13.59, I've bought a pretty good, robust piece of kit. It's all metal. This detaches, so you can actually use it as a camera handle if you want, without the stabiliser bracket. The downside is, yes, it is a bit of a balancing act. So when you first start using it, because there's no instructions, it is a little bit of trial and error, but it's worth persevering. It probably took me about 10-15 minutes to work out how it worked and also get the balance right. And now, the second time I used it, it probably took about 5 minutes to set up. So, a good piece of kit, well worth the money. And if you're taking videos for commercial or private purposes, if you're taking videos of the kids, or if you're an estate agent or a surveyor taking inspection videos for property viewings, this could be a good investment. I'm going to put the link in the description below to where you can buy one. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more property, real estate and surveying content, plus more environment and sustainability content over the next few months. So thanks again for watching, and goodbye.